Hey guys, it's Caribbean Sea Buccaneer. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I got a package that I got last week. My Super Bowl jersey. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. Feel free to subscribe. Let's try it out. It's got the number 26 on it. And on the back, it says Buccaneer. Caribbean. Let me know what you guys think of my jersey. It's really cool. Like, I really like the Seahawks, and they won the Super Bowl against can't even remember. Anyway, yeah, it's pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications. Follow me on Instagram at Caribbean Sea Buccaneer. Also follow me on Facebook at Caribbean Sea Buccaneer. Peace out, guys.